We're fortunate enough at D-Class Automotive to have a very good background in very high-end cars. I run this company as a car enthusiast myself, so in my eyes, an important restoration part should be the interior of the car. We've worked on bespoke vehicle interiors and also the restoration of classic interiors. We have always been a Mercedes specialist, but now very much respected in the circles of the McLaren. We work a lot for Ferraris and Porsche. We work with BMW as well as Alpina. We've trimmed seats for Formula One. We've done work for royalty. We even have customers as far as Hawaii. We had vehicles that ended up in music videos, which led us to create some of the vehicles for the Fast and Furious 6 film. The car we're sitting in today is the Mercedes 600 Landaulet, this being one of only 59 of the Landaulets ever built. Originally a presidential car. This car back in its heyday would have toured around countries with various dignitaries who were able to stand in the back of the vehicle waving to those that supported them or were made to support them. This car has undergone a 9-month interior restoration. During that time we've had all the chrome and wood renovated. This car came to us with a beige interior. We have trimmed this into an old-timer red, which was available at the time of this car's production. Each part on this car was bespoke. These were all handmade to individual requirements. We work long and hard with a lot of research, as well as speaking to a number of specialists. We were able to piece together all of the parts required to give that original feel. Just recently, we've invested heavily in a CNC stitching machine, and we're currently the very first people in Europe to get a machine of this type. That machine gives us the ability to carry out unlimited precision-trimmed panel options and design. The opportunity to take something to make it even better, that's the beauty of this job. You do get that sense of achievement from the craft that we have when we create a brand new interior which our customers are completely blown away by.